Hello and a welcome to Simple How To's. In today's video, I want to show you how you can start making money online by simply taking photos and submitting them. I use an application called Premise. Find the link to Premise in the description of this video. So this is the Premise app here. So if you click here, the link, it will take you here. Right, so as you can see, it says share local knowledge and money. So that's how the app looks like. Okay, so you get paid for each and every task that you do that gets approved. Okay, so if you don't have an account like me, I said you have to click a link in the description of this video. So you click sign up. Right, so you have an option to sign up with your social media handles, with your Facebook account or with your Google account. All right, so if let's say you want to open a Facebook account, that's via Facebook. There we go. To say use this account, then you click agree. As you click agree, here it will advise you to choose your language. Me, I want to choose English. Where is it? Let me choose my language. Right, that's English here. Change to English. I click continue. I add my details, then my year of birth. All right. I update this account. There we go. There we are. I've been rewarded 5 cents. Okay, I click next. I want to update my profile. Right, I can say not now. I can do that later on. Right, there we are. It will give you set of instructions to follow. These instructions to follow: share your knowledge, locate tasks that you discover, then with the explore button. All right, there we are. So Premise works best with your location or with your GPRS turned on. So let me allow my location here. Okay, so we have created a Premise account. As you can see here, this is our profile. Here, this is our tasks tab. So if you have saved any tasks, you see them here on your to-do. If you have completed any tasks, you see them under completed. If you want to take new tasks, you come here, it says market. You try to refresh, no tasks. Here where it says locate, it's another type of task. But as you can see here, we have survey. With survey, what happens is you're given a survey to take, and you answer a few questions. You have to answer them to the best of your ability. You have to answer them very honest. Then you get paid if the task has been approved. Okay, so then here on locate, it will give you instructions. Visit this place, maybe a certain locate job that I did recently was locating a borrowed change, then taking a few pictures of it and uploading the pictures here. Okay, same applies to the explore button. All right, so that's the market tab. Here the payments tab will show you the amount that you will be available for cash out. So I have to add a payment method. These are the available payment options. Mobile top up is for recharging a phone. Pioneer, we have PayPal, we have Coinbase. All right, so these are the options that are available at hand. We'll talk much later about them, or you'll find a link in the description of this video for how to go about opening an account with each of these. All right, then and lastly the settings. Nothing much on the settings. All right, so let me log out of this account and log into my other old account. Let me do this and show you my earnings, show you the tasks that I'm doing. All right, I've logged in. So you can see that's my profile. I have no saved tasks. So these are my completed tasks and the monies that I was getting. All right, so as you can see, that one at the top, which is written COVID-19 impact, it's still under review. So once it gets approved, I'll then get paid. All right, so as you can see, these ones I have been paid, and this is a sample of the questions that were being asked. Which of the following best describe how or why you read about health issues? It was about health issues. Where do you get the information? How do you rate the trustworthy? You see, to the right, to the left are the questions, to the right are my answers. Okay, so let's go on to market and take one or so surveys so that you may have an understanding of what you'll be doing. Right, so let's say here, I want to take this one. So you do this. Does your home currently have electricity? Let me say yes. Which category best describes your source? It's an electric grid. For your local area, where do you think electricity are primarily available in? It's everywhere. Which category best describes the overall reliability of electricity services in your local area? It's reliable. On average, how many days per week are electricity services available? It's about 5 to 6 days. On the days the electricity services, how many hours in the day are they usually available? It's 24 hours. How affordable? It's a bit affordable. Does your home currently have heating? Don't have heating? The reason why I do not have heating, it's a bit expensive for me. Yeah. How about how affordable do you think heating services are? They are unaffordable, really. Does your home currently have air cooling? We don't have air cooling. Which category best describes it? It's a bit expensive. How affordable? It's unaffordable. To the best of your knowledge, which of the following heating sources are most available to residents of your local area? So yes, electricity least available. The least available is wood. We are in an urban setup. We really have wood. Who would you most likely call for home repairs? For home repairs, that's a member of my community. Which category best describes your current main cooking source? That's an electric stove. How affordable do you think fuel is in your local area? It's affordable. So after you take the survey, then you'll be checking to your bottom right. You see this tab, this submit option. You click submit. Are you sure to submit? You click I'm sure. So as soon as you submit it, then you can just scroll you can just hit your screen from top to down and refresh. As soon as you refresh, then you see that it will no longer be available on the list of surveys that you have to take. All right, so it will be under here, my tasks completed. If you refresh here, you see it's now at the list of the tasks that I have done and are waiting for approval. So if we come here under market and come under locate and refresh, no tasks for now. So you just you just be tapping under the tabs, then you hit refresh. All right, so that's how do you go about taking the tasks. As in terms of payments, then you can see I have $5.31 for now in my account, and I can cash this out via mobile top up, or I can choose another payment method. So the minimum cash out for Coinbase is $5. So I can take $5 and get it via Coinbase, which is a gateway for digital currencies like Bitcoins, cryptocurrencies rather. All right, so that's all about premise. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel.